The mannequin. Fuck you guys. Mannequin body. You guys don't know Frankie? He has mannequin. We call him mannequin because he has a mannequin body. He's molded like mannequin. Fuck you. We'll make sure to put a little slide, a little photo slide of how he looks like, no?
Hey, I had to show that love, way. That's my boy. Any words, Frankie?
Follow me.
That was your boy, gang. Snell gang right there, way. Boom, from the 206. That mannequin, model, eBay model. This does it all.
Fuck, eBay model.
Find this guy at Ross, post it up. Damn. Alright, baby. Get back to work, way.
Alright, for shorties.
Alright, way. Love you.
Me too, baby.
Nice. Peace.
Peace.
And that was your reaction video from Frankie K.M. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. He is the famous mannequin of Quincy, Washington. This is how you know it's time to go to work. Right here. Look at him. That's how you know we're gonna go to work, Jared.
Indeed. Gotta drink some good water.
Welcome back, gang. We're here, back at it again with the homie Jero. Jero over here. Frankie back there. La Mannequin. You know who it is. Mr. Famous. And homie Flacco 519, which is not in here yet. But today, we're going to do a quick valve cover install. And you're going to see this beauty right now.
Shout out to all the followers.
Nice, like that.
Team
What are we doing today?
Victor. What we're doing is we're gonna change that valve cover out to power coated blue one.
Damn.
So
It's gonna look fucking nice. This is how it looks before. We need more lighting here, Gerald. Hook that plant up from Modern Performance.
All day.
Damn. Look at this. Damn. That thing is a fucking beauty.
That's fucking clean.
Huh. Look at this shit. The shiny shit.
It's gonna pop out. Definitely. It's a fact.
Fuck. That thing looks sexy as hell. Oh, Joe. What do you think about it?
How it looks? What do you think? It's not.
What the fuck is going on?
We just dropped the socket.
Not even the first bolt when you dropped it. Damn. It's right there on the floor. We got the homie Frankie putting it down. Ooh, ooh. Go. Famous. Damn. That's my boy. Ooh, ooh. Shit's wilding out here, way. Damn. That was wild, way. I like that shit, way. You're posted. This is your boy Minty SRT. Crazy hair Mexican YouTube vlogger. Back at it again with the Team Addictive. You already know. Putting in mad work and shit right here. Look at the concentration of the homie Flacco. Look at him. Damn. Right here taking some quick shots for homie Mannequin, Gerald. We're doing it off today. Bust a little move right now, where? For the YouTubers. Bust a little move. Damn! Oh, go. Give him the bottle. Hey, Gerald, start shaking your ass. This was it. Drop beer on it, where?
I wanted this to Seattle too. It's hella oil on my fucking.
Yeah?
The thing is, Modern Performance wants this back.
Should I put water in there? You don't want to clean it?
2 hours later.
And Frank?
I dropped the seed in his engine.
He dropped a seed in there?
Put some semen in here.
Look for it. I dropped it.
We'll have to put some semen in your onions.
6 hours later.
How long has he have cleaned this shit, where?
I like it.
I drove back home and I came back and he was still clean.
No, mames.
Dude, motherfucker, 7. Basically done
Hey,
already.
Gerald's ready, way.
Still clean.
Still cleaning, way.
1 eternity later.
I don't know what the fuck's going on here.
This guy's taking his free time.
Yeah. It's already
It's like 12:30 now.
sun outside coming out.
We got here about 10 o'clock.
And it's already
They're
3 in the
working on
morning. And he's still cleaning. Look at that. He wants spotless. He said for car shows.
Yeah.
Are you done, Flaco? What is
This one
that?
I use to seal the corners. RTV, red silicone.
Is that
High
spray?
tech shit.
Nah.
What the
But he doesn't know that I spit a seed now.
fuck? Make sure to follow the team. Team_addictive. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Helps us out. Helps the followers out. Subscribers. Like, share, comment. And Gerald's horny now, wait.
Yeah, we do this every time.
Damn, for the content, wait, for the content.
Alright, guys. We got the gaskets put on. Sits like a glove inside it.
Flush.
Hella fluff. Now it's just time to put this bitch on. Moment of truth. Might need some help, Frankie. Move those cables out of the way.
You got it?
Fucking worthless.
What, bitch?
You're fucking worthless.
Fucking speed of six.
Some color.
It has cobalt ones too.
Huh?
They have cobalt ones.
Cobalt colors or cobalt valve covers?
Cobalt uppers. Power code.
Modern Performance?
Oh shit! They're gonna sell cobalts. Fucking. This is my beer.
No mames.
I didn't drink it.
My little kiss me, dumbass.
That's herpes for sure, way.
And then for me, I always kisses dirty women.
Jack, that kiss you, dumbass. You're a dirty bitch.
This is the kind of content I need, way.
Fuck you. Trying to expose me or what? Make a point of shit.
I like this content right now. Bring more out.
This is my first day here. Everyone.
scared of the not too tight.
Fuck you doing, Jero? Why you acting like you have allergies?
Because I do.
Yeah.
There you guys have it. It's installed and on. It looks way better in person. What do you guys think? What do you think, Frankie? Plain? What's your rating on it?
The rating?
Yeah.
11 out of 10, dog. Easy 11 out of 10.
Like that shit. Amazon or eBay?
Modern performance quality.
Yeah, content right there. Free nipples.
Alright, 6'9".
Free the nipples, like. This is dumb. Scott gang. Do it again, do it again. Dude, this is looking hilarious.
And then I matched my hat with either one.
Argument. With clothing.
I never do it. I never matched my shoes with my shirt.
Thumbnail.
So right now
I match my shoes with everything. I'm not gonna wear the same color shoes as the same shirt.
No,
and
mom.
I gotta wear different pants.
That doesn't know nothing. If it's not about cars, he doesn't know what it's talking about.
Look at this tight ass shorts.
He's talking shit about your fashion wear.
That's just like
Mannequin fashion.
mannequin. I'm street.
Must be nice. They're ugly.
You're not doing it right with that shirt and the hat, same color wear.
I know. You're doing it
Dude,
wrong.
I'm not even dressed up, but I'm fucking. This is like raggedy day, man.
You're doing it wrong today.
Look at my shoes. These shoes don't match what I'm fucking wearing, man.
You got cinematics here? Damn! She's getting freaky up in here. Wait! Oh shit! Oh shit! Content!
Bitch.
This buff guy right here.
Look at his pose.
It's supposed to look at him.
Nigga should be a model. Why you doing really honest? Be a model.
He's an addictive model, right?
Oh, yeah. This wall pose, dumbass. I'm gonna give you a Speedo.
Look at he's always posing.
How the fuck am I posing, dumbass? You should wear a Speedo on my
Bitch, you stepped on my Jeezys, way?
Oh, triggered.
Motherfucker.
You even race shoes?
You get mad if I step on yours and you step on my Jeezys.
Yeah.
Look at these shit right here, dude.
You look sexy.
These are fucking $750 on the dot. Brand new, way. The fuck you laughing at, Frank? There you guys
There it
have
is.
it. Extra 15 horsepower. And the
Easy
dot.
install.
Yeah, you.
Only takes an hour.
It took us
If
2
you're
hours.
this dumbass.
It should have taken us at least 30 minutes. This guy
Since you're a perfectionist,
wants to go fucking professional housekeeping.
no half-ass shit, man. Do it right. Get OEM parts. Fucking AutoZone. Get mobile.
Dang, you just respected Gerald, way.
It's Vatos though.
The fucking Frank shops at Walmart for his parts. No, mom.
Don't expose me, man.
Alright, Flacco, you haven't answered the question, right?
What's the question?
Spicy noodle challenge on the dot. Damn, spitting, way.
Choking on the dick.
I don't know, dude.
Bitch!
Hey, you know how to
Spicy noodle chili. It looks gross.
Did you
I
see
heard it's bomb,
Illuminate?
though.
Illuminate was fucking crying. That
This
nigga
guy
was
did
crying.
it.
No. Is it that hot? Dude, I could
It's
handle
hot.
I could handle spice.
Nah.
No, it's hot.
Nah.
It's kind of like
It's
that.
not handle
Dude,
spice.
aguachiles is hot.
Nah.
Oh, my man.
It's hotter than that.
Nah.
Hotter?
You never tried aguachiles.
Are you fucking retarded?
Have you tried it once from Andalus?
No.
Those fuckers are spicy.
I don't like
Those are
those.
spicy.
Oh.
I've tried them from.
So what? Challenge accepted?
You never heard of
I know, let me know
Spicy.
pussy.
this?
Challenge accepted, say it to the fam right now.
It looks gross.
Are you challenge accepted?
I'll think about it overnight.
Nah, nigga, say it right now.
Oh, noodles. You guys done?
I already ordered the noodles.
Did you really?
Yeah, I got 5
That
noodle
shit looks
packs.
gross, but I'll try it. You know?
All right, then nice. I like that. Constant. He's doing it for you guys right there.
We should get the mannequin.
Post it. We'll bring that video out for you guys pretty soon. Just stay tuned. Keeps coming back. Subscribe. And yeah, dude. This is how we're probably gonna end the night. We're about done. Flock is still cleaning it.
This ain't all of us.
I know this ain't.
Don't think it's just us.
I know. They probably think just us three all the time. With like, nah.
Everyone else is
We got a team of like what? Like 8. But
They're just hiding, bro.
they're always hiding. They're hibernating. All right.
Give me an ending.
There you guys have it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow
Like,
the team.
comment, subscribe.
Hell yeah. Go fucking follow the team. Team_addictive.
Follow Flock.
Follow Flock 509. Joel. Say it, nigga. Nigga Gerald. Cobalt saying. We got Frankie Mannequin. Frank_K.M. Holla M single, ready to mingle.
Heck yeah.
And this is your boy, crazy hair, Mexican blog YouTuber, Minty SRT. And we got it at that. We're out. Peace.